The mountain speaks in whispers low through the pines where the cold winds go. A crane takes flight, its wings unfold. The dawn of fire burns red and gold. Oh, echoes arise through time, they sing, carried high on the mountain wind. A tale of strength, of hearts unbound. Listen close to the ancient sound. The river carves its endless line through stone and root, through leaf and time. The stars above, a guiding hand, mark the path across the land. Do you hear it soft yet clear? The song that calls us ever near. Oh, echoes arise through time, they sing, carried high on the mountain wind. A tale of strength, of hearts unbound.